The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good afternoon. A cloudy afternoon at that. Temperatures are fairly warm out there as well because of the cloud cover. So any shortwave radiation that is getting through is just reflecting off the ground and then bouncing off the clouds and then back and forth. So we're heating up this column of atmosphere between the surface and the base of the clouds. And so our temperatures are in the 40s, some of us even in the 50s like Martinsville. Some of us also still in the 30s, but expected to warm up throughout the day as we're going to be progressively warming up. Covington will eventually get close to 50. Same goes for Lexington and Hot Springs. Now we are expecting a couple of light showers, and that's because if we have a look at radar, we are tracking this really big low pressure system that is just draped across the majority of the country. There is sort of a front located right about here, so moisture is going to be pumped across this blue line over the next several days or so. And so what we're seeing here at home at the moment is basically just a couple of showers down to our south and east on the border of parts of South Boston. Could see a shy sprinkle or two there, but for the most part, that's basically all we're going to be dealing with throughout the day and throughout the rest of the afternoon. As we have a look at future trackers showing mostly cloudy skies with flow out of the southwest, which is what we were pinpointing yesterday and the day prior. Now, a couple of showers develop by 2 p.m., so maybe a couple more sprinkles for parts of the south side like Danville and South Boston, getting into possibly Charlotte County as well. Now, as we go into the overnight, more clouds will persist, and that's why our temperatures are going to basically flatline in the upper 30s and lower 40s for much of us. Temperatures have a very hard time getting below the 35-degree mark this evening, and that's because radiational cooling is not going to be taking place. We do not have a clear sky. We've got cloudy skies. Winds are fairly calm. They're about 5 miles per hour, so a slight breeze, but drier air is not here as well because we're having a southerly flow, which is bringing in moisture all the way from the Gulf of Mexico, and so heat is not escaping to space. So it's bouncing off of those clouds and it's being trapped. That's why our temperatures are so warm tonight and into tomorrow morning. Now, low pressure is going to influence us. As I just drew that blue line, that's where sort of the flow is coming from. So it's going to be rainy starting tomorrow evening up until basically the next couple of days. It's also going to be very warm out there. Starting off with tomorrow morning, a little bit of fog thanks to some of that moisture and the dew point being very close to the temperature. Also, we could see a couple of showers, a light drizzle for parts of the south side. And then going into tomorrow, the majority of the showers stay south of the Roanoke Valley. But going into tomorrow night, that's when widespread rain starts to develop and really get overhead. Going into Thursday, we see widespread rain starting early off. We get a period of breaks within the rain, but then some scattered storms could develop late on our Thursday. And so rain is going to add up through Saturday because we are tracking the chance for rain to last all the way up until this weekend. This is going to be a two-system type of deal where we're getting hit with the first one going into tomorrow, and then going into this weekend on Saturday, we'll see the next one. So rain totals as of now, anywhere from about 1.5 inches all the way up to 2.5 inches. And then here's one last look at your extended forecast. Lots of cloud cover for today, and that will extend all the way up until Sunday this weekend.
I'm here for the 60s.
I'm here for it too.
So Friday looks nicer than it was looking, so it might not be as rainy.
Yeah, so what we looked at yesterday was Saturday. Looked mostly cloudy. We might get a little bit of break, but the models have shifted a little bit earlier. So now it looks like Friday will get a decent break from the rain. But temperatures are going to be very, very warm on Friday. I'll have more on that coming up in your final forecast.
I'm here for it. Thank you, Parker.